Hey there, is your PC showing this message? That sudden silence on your Windows 11 is not just frustrating, it means a critical system error. But don't worry, I am going to show you two simple solutions that going to fix this error instantly. For that, go to your Start menu and go to Settings and System and find Troubleshoot. Other troubleshooter. Here you can see the audio function. Simply click on Run. You will see Microsoft Troubleshooter will open. Just click on Yes and Microsoft will automatically start searching for the problem. Here you go. The audio problem has been solved. But if it's not working for you, then we have another option. Go to Start menu again and search for Device Manager. From here, you can see your audio inputs file. Click on it and select your speaker. Just right click on it and click on Update Driver and select Browse my computer for drivers and click on Next. You can see the driver has been updated successfully. And here you can see another option, Sound, Video and Game Controller. Click on it and select High Definition Audio Device. Right click on it and click Update Device. Select Browse my computer for drivers and click on Next. Here you go, the driver has been updated. Close the menu and then you can see your audio has been working properly. If this guide got your sound working, hit the like button and subscribe to SMentor for more expert Windows fixes. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.